Introducing the 2024 Skoda Karoq STY 2, 0 TDI with 115 horsepower and a sleek black exterior. This estate Jeep is packed with features like air conditioning, cruise control, satellite navigation, and more. Safety is a top priority with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The luxurious interior includes a load cover, ambient lighting, and wireless charging. With a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer standards, this vehicle is ready for the road. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line Skoda Karoq. Call us or visit laharts.ie for more information.